Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the enumerate function in Python. The enumerate function takes a collection, that is a tuple, a string or something else, and returns it as an enumerate object. The enumerate function adds a counter as the key of the enumerate object. So what exactly does that mean? So let's write some code and figure it out together. Okay, so let's add a variable called message equals to hello. All right, and here I can print the enumerate, and then inside of that we can print the message. Okay, if I just run the program right now, as you can see, we are getting an enumerate object. Okay, but this is not that much great to read, right? We are not able to understand what exactly is happening under the hood. To understand that, what we can do, we can wrap this particular code, the enumerate message, inside of a list function. So cut it out, list. Inside of that, we can paste it down here. Okay, and now if I just run the program once again, as you can see, this is better. Okay, so what exactly is happening? We are getting a list of tuples. I know we do not know about the lists or tuples right now, but just bear with me. So what exactly is happening? So this is the index. So inside of the 0th index, we are having this h. In the 1 index, okay, we will have the e. The 2 index, we have the l. 3 index, we have the l. 4 index, we have the o. Okay. All right. So this is what exactly is happening right now. So what exactly is happening? It adds a counter as the key of the enumerate object. So this is the key, right? So what we can do something like this. So I will get rid of this one or just comment out this one. And what we can do, we have done this before, right? So for character in message, okay, we can print the character. All right, if I just do that, we will get HELLO. This is good, and this is what we are expecting. Now what we can do, we can wrap this message inside of the enumerate function. So enumerate message. All right, and now we are getting the character as well, but with the character we are getting the index of the character as well. So we can do something like index and then character. Okay, and inside of the print statement, what we can do, we can add the f strings here and the character at the index, and we can put the index here. Okay, is the character. Okay, all right. So if I now run the program, as you can see, we are getting all of these messages. So the character at the index 0 is h, which is true. The character at the index 1 is e, and so on and so forth. Okay, the character at the index 4 is o. Okay, so in case if we want to have a counter or an index for our iterables, basically this one, the message or something like a string, something like this message or a tuple or a list or something like that, we can have this enumerate function there. So we can wrap that particular iterable inside of the enumerate function, and this enumerate function will return us the value and also the index as well. Once again, I want to point out here, index will be the first thing which it returns. Okay, so if I just change the thing here, okay, if I just change this one, as you can see, everything is messed up right now. So first of all, we are getting the index, and then we are getting that particular thing which we are iterating over. Okay, so I just wanted to point out that. So index and then character. Okay, run the program. As you can see, now our code is good. Okay, so this is the enumerate function in Python.